This might just be one of the dopest, most relaxing places we have ever stayed. Make sure you come in here and check out this beautiful houseboat on Lake Ouachita.
Hi, we're the Mays family, Carrie, Shanika, and Kennedy. And we're on a mission to live out our dream of traveling the world, one adventure at a time.
Welcome back. We just made it to Arkansas, and this is where we're going to be staying for the weekend. On a lake, Lake Ouachita, and I cannot wait to show you guys our home for the weekend. So you know that we've been trying to stay in some more unique locations this year. That's been one of our goals for the year. Well, this place is definitely by far one of our most unique places yet. Check out our home for the weekend. So we're gonna be staying in this super cool houseboat. Let's go check it out. Got some seating here. Barbecue grill. Kennedy ran ahead of me and I think she already went upstairs, so let's go see what's up there. Oh my gosh, these stairs are narrow. Whoa. Kennedy, where'd you go? Well, we got this cool little deck area up here with some extra seating. A hot tub. Now y'all know we love us a hot tub. And look at this view, my goodness. So peaceful, so relaxing. We got a water slide. Don't think I'm gonna be sliding this time. I'm gonna go check out what else this beautiful houseboat has to offer. We'll see you guys later. Okay, so we just walked into the houseboat for the first time. And look at this, look at the first thing that Kennedy did as soon as she walked in.
Where's Kennedy?
She left her shoes behind.
Did you clean that room already? Is your room?
I haven't touched the inside, only the outside.
No.
That's a tall bed. That's cool.
Like that.
That's your bed? Okay. Oh, this is nice, Ken.
Yeah, and I want to look out the window.
Do you have a view? That's so cool. I guess that means she likes it, guys.
So as Shanika mentioned, we are staying on Lake Ouachita, and we are staying in this fantabulous houseboat. It is part of our unique accommodations this year, and I go inside. It's kind of like staying in an RV. We actually haven't stayed in an RV yet, but imagine that. You've seen enough RV videos to know what staying in an RV looks like. This is houseboat right now. It's amazing though. Kennedy, what you find? What is it?
Why not just can lift up? It moves.
I'm not sure you should be opening stuff on the boat. We don't know what we're doing, so let's leave it alone. Kennedy, where are you taking us to? The ladder? Where's the ladder take us to?
Up there.
Upstairs?
Up there, on
Up there.
top of the ship.
Let's go on top of the ship.
Watch out, there's some spider webs up there.
Alright, let's go.
Watch out.
So the stairs go straight up. Like literally, you have to climb and pull yourself up these stairs. Look at that. Hope no one has a little bit too much and falls down. This houseboat has this amazing top portion. I think I might stay out here. Oh, I got dark for some reason. Okay, that took me in the shade, but I'm on top of the houseboat where it's got two cover seats and the hot tub. I imagine it looks amazing at nighttime where we're probably gonna be spending a lot of time, but it's supposed to be bad weather, y'all. Hopefully this doesn't get us. Last time when we were in Crystal Beach, we couldn't really go to the beach because it was cold. And this weather is really trying to spoil all of our vacation plans. And we're trying to show you all the great places in the United States. This is our fourth state. I think we gotta go to all of them at some point. So we are sharing this houseboat with our friends, the Smith. You all might have remembered them from a previous vlog. We went to the beach, Sierra's first time in the water. I think this is gonna be for her first time on a houseboat. I said that's like it's not my first time on a houseboat, but for sure her first time on a houseboat. We're gonna go welcome them to their new home for the weekend.
You knew who that was?
You can take it, open it.
Y'all can hug each other. Y'all know y'all want to.
Give her a hug. It's like that meme.
Oh man, did you get it?
I did not get that.
Dang, Carrie.
I thought I had it on. Oh, Kenny, you lost your tooth on the vacation? Let me see.
Good job.
It just came on out.
Say
Yeah.
Good job.
We got here, we pulled up, and she was like, "Mommy!" And she was like pushing it out her tongue.
Kennedy has had this one tooth hanging on the strand,
This one
but
right
it just
here
fell
is
out
loose now.
in the middle of this
Yes.
introduction. Just welcome back to Get to Know Denver, and it just popped right on out. So we're leaving, and we're gonna go find something to eat. Probably go to Walmart. Everything's about 30 to 40 minutes away because you got to go up and down this windy, twisty road to get. Ooh, snap! Tried to vlog and almost fell in this water right here. It's not a fun thing to do. Anyhow, we're gonna Walmart. I bet you wonder how we got here. I know we said we were going to the store and we didn't. We did that. It took 4 hours and we got tired and we came back. Hey Denver.
Hi.
Why you got so much energy after that long day? All the energy after 4 hours of what we just got through doing.
Okay, so we got the girls in bed and we thought we were gonna go to sleep, but we decided to take advantage of this time to ourselves. So we are gonna go and hang out for a little bit in the hot tub.
Good morning, y'all. Last night after the hot tub, we all fell asleep and woke up to a crazy storm. Like, it is just raining everywhere. Hopefully this will pass. The ship was kind of hitting the Rockies on us last night, but I slept good. And then we're gonna get out and we're gonna enjoy the lake. So hopefully it helps us out. You all hear all the rain last night?
Yeah.
Did it wake you up or it make you sleepy?
It made me first it made me wake up, then it made me sleepy. Me too.
All right, so the rain went away. It was only a short, quick little rain. And we're so excited. The girls are unbelievably excited that they finally get to come out and enjoy the hot tub.
Let's go to my seat. Race you.
How's the hot tub?
Good. We're swimming around. Daddy's not allowed.
Y'all kicked Daddy out of the hot tub?
Only girls.
Only girls? Okay.
Only girls, no boys. Yeah, no men either. Right, Kennedy? What did you say?
Well, as you know, I'm usually the one that does everything. I'm on all the slides, I'm on all the rides. Well, this time, it's his turn. Are you ready?
No.
You not ready?
I'm gonna go ahead and get it over with. I ain't even been in this water yet. I know, Kennedy! Oh my gosh, no! Alright.
So Carrie's going down the slide. It's cold. Carrie has decided he's gonna be adventurous and go down the slide into the lake. And it's chilly. I mean, it's in the 60s, but the wind chill coming off the lake is freezing.
Kennedy, say go!
Say count on 3 so he can go.
Alright.
1, 0. We were scared.
You were scared? What do you think was gonna happen?
I just think he knew would drown.
I don't think he would have jumped in if he didn't know how to swim.
I definitely went all the way under.
Was it fun?
It was fun.
Because it seems like that would be fun if it was like warmer.
A lot warmer, it'd be really fun. But the cold shot got me because I hadn't been in the lake yet.
Yeah.
So I went in all the way under and I just got cold shot and I was like, ah! I gotta get out! I had to go as fast as I could.
Finally. Finally, I'm not the one. He did something. He did something big. He did something crazy. He did something adventurous. You not getting in the hot tub?
It's got, my body's cold from jumping in the cold water. Now I'm trying to get the water that's 103. I gotta warm my body here to get in the hot tub.
That's good for your body though. From cold to hot.
Like it's boiling.
So glad that the boat has a hot tub. This boat really has everything we need. Like we don't have to leave. We had lunch here at the boat because we went and we bought some food last night. Now we're hanging out. We got our entertainment right here on top of the boat. We just had some extra entertainment from Carrie jumping in the lake. Sliding in the lake.
He's like, woohoo!
I want to kind of do the Kenn and Den Antarctica plunge now.
Oh, you're gonna be on your own on that with that
No,
one.
you going in with me.
Nah.
I already put that in the video.
I am not.
We had already claimed that.
Listen, I will do a lot of things for this channel. The Arctic plunge, polar bear plunge, anything that requires me jumping in freezing cold weather is not gonna happen. I love you guys, but I can't. Welcome back to the Kenn and Den Show, starring
Denver and Kennedy.
All right, do you all have any jokes for the people?
I do.
Okay.
Okay, so why are potatoes the best detective?
Why are potatoes the best detectives? Why?
Because they're smushy.
Because they're smushy?
No, because they keep their eyes peeled.
Oh my goodness!
Okay, why was the lemon falling into tea?
Why?
Because it was starting to break. Okay, so what kind of vegetable loves hanging out with animals?
What kind of vegetable loves hanging out with animals?
Carrots? No. Tomatoes? No. Broccoli? No. Squash? No. I'll tell you.
What?
Zucchini.
Zucchini! Oh my gosh!
What vegetable is it looks like a cucumber, but it's not. What vegetable is that? Squash? Yeah. What happens when Bigfoot comes?
What happens when Bigfoot comes?
Yeah.
I don't know. What?
Squash, because Bigfoot squashed everything.
Call her. She's calling you.
Hello? Hello, is your refrigerator ready? Yes, it's ready to go. Lock and load. You better catch it. It's starting to rain.
Okay, I'm getting out.
Me too. I don't want to get out.
Well, Denver is.
So I done jumped my butt in this super cold lake, and they all leaving because of some little funky cold rain. Enjoy my time in this hot tub by myself. Rain gonna clear up, and they gonna wish they stayed out here with me. Are you just gonna leave me out here? Leave your husband?
Yeah, let's go. It's raining, it's time to go. It's raining and it's cold and it's windy, and my shoes are over there on the other side.
You wanna know a key to a long marriage? Leave your spouse when they're doing something crazy. Just leave them out there. Oh, Baywatch Beauty.
My shoes. Oh, your shirt's over there.
Oh, yeah. Can you
And
get
the
my-
boat's rocking.
We're on the last day of the beach house, and before we want to go, with special shout out to Social Couplepreneurs, YFC, Keeping Up with the Griffins, and Mo Evans for dropping the word of the video, last video. This time, put Houseboat in the comment if you made it this far. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you all in the next adventure.
Can I say something?
Yes.
And if you think of it, do the same thing what Uncle Kerry did. Slide down the slide and get in the lake. Subscribe to our channel. See you in the next adventure. Bye. And see you when you see me, Kennedy, the whole family together. Hello, this is your captain speaking. We're going to the beach, and then somebody said they want to go to Hawaii to do the Hawaii dance. Forward! No, we don't need it to go really fast, okay? Don't put it really fast.
Never can you do the this is your captain speaking?
Yeah, because we are cousins. Let Daddy go down the slide. Yeah, and he said the water was cold. And he went to the bottom.
Kenny, are you driving the boat?
Yeah.
Your daughter's driving the boat. But don't. Bad joke.